Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use TubeBuddy with their browser extension to increase the SEO of your blog. As you can see, this is an old video I did back a while ago, 4 years ago, and it has an SEO score of 45. So I'm going to see what we can do with TubeBuddy. And you just click on the Get Started button and see what TubeBuddy has to do. And this is the orphan content is the keyword here. Orphan content. Stop. And so it gives you a score. And then you go to next. And you can hit next again. Include your tag word in the first tag. It gives you your other tips. And then you just hit apply to video. That is it. TubeBuddy does it all for you. I have the $4.99 premium plan. There are other plans as well that you can get with TubeBuddy. And let's see, we saved them. So we're going to go back to look at that video and see. Go to videos. And I just want to see the score on that one now that we did it. And to see your score, you have to be on your video. I'm going to wait for the ads to go through here. Okay, and there it is. It went up to 94. So include more relevant tags. I could add some more tags to get the score higher. So let's go and see if we can do that to get it up even higher. And it is. And content. We go to next, and here we are with the tags. They're going to suggest more. So we're going to add some more tags in there. And let's see. We're going to also put in there some more tags. There's some other words, as you can see in there. And SEO tips, let's do 2023 because it still applies. Include your exact as the first tag. Let's do that. Add now. It does it automatically. Look at that. We're back up to 100. Apply to video. So it's really easy with the TubeBuddy tool. I highly recommend using it for your YouTube channel. I really believe you're going to love it. I hope this video has been helpful. And if you'd like to see more, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.